Alright, I just rinsed off my rear side spats. I got done sanding with the first grit, which is 120. Then I'm going to sand it again with 400, and then we'll get painting. Okay, so side spats are done sanding. Whenever you get these plastic pieces, you want to make sure that like it's nice and smooth, because they'll come in like a primer, but like you can see that dark line right there, that's where a raised edge was. So I sanded that down to be smooth and flat with the surface. And then the edges that touched the bumper, like there was where the mold or wherever the plastic process was, and it wasn't like a flat surface to mount to the bumper. So I sanded that down, and now I'm going to paint these with some spray paint. I was gonna vinyl wrap them, but since this will see like dirt and everything way more often than something like the trunk or, you know, like the doors, like this is right next to the wheel, so dirt's gonna kick up from here onto the side spats. So I'm just gonna spray paint them. And since this is plastic, I'm gonna use Krylon Fusion paint and primer gloss black to match all the other black on my car. I guess you could use like high heat paint or car paint, whatever you want, but since this is plastic and it's on the outside of the car, I'm just going with this. Now that the rear side spats are painted, I'm going to let those dry for an hour, and I'm going to wet sand them. And here's the hardware that it came with. It came with 8 bolts, 8 nuts, and 8 washers, and some double-sided 3M tape, which attaches this to the rear bumper. And once I'm done wet sanding, I'm going to install these on the car. Just got done attaching both rear side spats. First you gotta take out the 2 clips holding the rain guard on the top, and then one on the bottom. Over there. I didn't really use the 4th mount on the rear side spat. You can see it right there. I didn't think it was necessary, plus like I don't really know what I would attach it to, because the tab isn't really against anything. It is kind of loose without double-sided tape. I tried to use it before, but the double-sided tape won't stick to this plastic, but it's fine. I mean, this isn't really going anywhere. So that's it for the rear side spat.